Hello everyone. Today let us see how to prepare chocolate mousse shots at home itself. This is for all those chocolate lovers, and those who are not, they'll truly fall in love with this recipe. So while let us start. Here I have taken a bowl and I have added 1 full cup of maida or all-purpose flour and then half a cup of powdered sugar. I have grinded sugar in the mixie or blender, and then I have taken 3/4 cup of milk powder. If you are skipping milk powder, add 1.5 cup of sugar and then half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have taken Hershey's, and then a pinch of baking powder. Now we are done with the dry ingredients. Yes, this is for preparing the cake for the chocolate mousse. Okay, so after mixing it properly, I have added lukewarm milk over here, that is 1 full cup, and then I have melted 1 cube of dark chocolate and 1 cube of butter, and then I have added 4 tablespoons of the chocolate syrup into this. Not much, because again we are going to add chocolate, so if you add more chocolate, your chocolate mousse taste will destroy. So after blending it nicely, mixing it nicely, add hot water, that is 1/4 cup, and then again give a nice stir till you are free of all the lumps. So our cake batter is ready. Now take a cake pan and then add butter paper into it, and then grease it with butter, and then add all our cake batter into it. I have prepared only for the cake, so this will be very thin, so you don't need to prepare full tin of cake for this recipe. So I have added this and dab it nicely and spread it to all the edges, and then bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and that's it. Our cake for the cake mousse shots is ready. So remove the butter paper carefully when it is lukewarm only. Do not remove when it is hot. And then see, this is so spongy and fluffy. Now put it aside, and then for the icing, see, I have taken whipping cream, and again I have added chocolate syrup, that is 1 cube of dark chocolate and then 1 cube of butter, and then mix it properly, and then take an icing bag or piping bag and then add all whipped chocolate cream into this. One by one you add it. In the coming videos, I'll let you know how to prepare whipping cream at home itself. It's very easy and very simple. You don't need to worry. And for those who don't have this icing bar or piping pack, you have your milk packets or curd packets at home. You can prepare with that. So I have taken the shots over here. This is the glass. These are the glasses I am going to prepare in. So I have mixed nicely and I have made into a powder with hand only all the cake which I have baked, and then we start this recipe like this. So add half a tablespoon of the powdered cake into all the glasses, and then dab it nicely with your index finger so that makes one complete layer. See, like this, it's very nice. If you dab it, then the chocolate cake will remain there itself. Now take out your icing and then add the cream layer on it, chocolate cream layer. Repeat to all the remaining shots also. So here I'm giving it for a display, so I'm taking these glasses over here. If you have disposable glasses at home, you can prepare in them also. See, my second layer is also ready. See how fluffy and how creamy it is. So for the third layer, again I'm going to add half a tablespoon of powdered chocolate cake on top of it. Repeat the same for the remaining glasses also. Some they add sugar syrup for the cake also. I didn't add it because cream that gives that moist, so no need of adding extra sugar syrup on it to make it more moist. If you like it, you can add it also. And again for the fourth layer, add the cream, chocolate cream on top of it. Now do not add more chocolate powder for the last layer, just dust it. See, like this. That will be enough. Like earlier we have added half a tablespoon, now just add only 1/4 of the tablespoon. Now again I have taken my chocolate syrup, 1 cube of compound chocolate with 1 cube of butter. That will do good. Now add on top of all the glasses. See how yummy it is and how tempting it is for those chocolate lovers. You just can't resist having these. So after adding all the chocolate on top of it, now it's time to add our last layer. Kids truly will love this recipe, you know, like these shards. This is very simple and easy also. Now for the last layer, just add your chocolate cream on top of it. Some they love it, some they like to have directly. It's your wish. I have topped it because kids love to have like this. So that's it. It's very simple and easy. In the coming videos, I'm going to tell you how to prepare whipped cream at home itself. Till then, bye bye.